Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we're learning AutoCAD become easy and enjoyable. In today's video, we will draw exercise 16 step by step in AutoCAD. Whether you are a beginner or some sharpening your AutoCAD skill, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's dive right in and creating this amazing drawing. You can download this drawing as a PDF, as an image, link in description box. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing environment. Start by opening AutoCAD, set the unit as a millimeter, press UN, enter, select here as a millimeter, then press OK. Step 2. Drawing the center line. As you see in this drawing, this one is a center line and also this one, horizontally and vertically. So now we are going to create this center line. Use line command L to draw horizontal and vertically center line. This line will help us position all the element, ensure this line is correct at the center point of the drawing. So press L for line, click on first point, press F8 for ortho on and press a value as a 100. Press enter. Now again L for line, click on first point, put on right side of your cursor, also press 100 and enter. As same as click on this end point and upside, for example press 80, enter. As same as you can mirror this line as a downside. Now select both lines, go to properties, select line type as a center line, as the color red. Now step 3. Drawing the center circle. As you see in this image, there is a 4 circle. First one, then this one is second one, then this one is third one, and this one is fourth one. So now create C4 circle on center point, radius as a 15. Now again C4 circle, click on center point, radius as a 25. Put again circle C4 circle, click on center point, put a value as a 42 radius. Now the last one C4 circle, click on center point, put a value as a radius 50, press enter. Now step 4. Adding the spokes. As you see this image, this one is spokes we are going to add. So if you see very carefully, first this one line and second line this one, from the center of these two lines as an angle 45. L for line, click on center point of the circle, press F8 for ortho off. Your line will be outside from the circle and press a tab key on your keyboard. If you see very carefully, now this one is locked and this one is open to put a value as a angle. So now we are going to put an angle as a 45. Press enter. Now match this line as same as. So using match command, MATCH match, otherwise shortcut MA for match command, select this line to this line. Now we are going to put a offset as a 6. Downside and 6 will be upside. So O for offset, press 6, enter. Click on this line as a downside, again click on this line as a upside. Now MA for match command, select this line to this line. When you see very carefully, this line will be end of these 4 circle. So using TR, enter, T for cutting A, select this circle, press enter. Click on this line and also this line. Now again as same as TR, enter, T for cutting edge, select this line, press enter, click on this line and this line. Now you see this part will be complete if we trim this part and this inner part. So TR double enter, trim this part and this part. And also if you zoom, so need to trim this part and this part and erase this circle. If you see, these spokes are created, only one spokes are created. We need to create as same this spark as same as four more times. So what we do, use a command of array polar, ARRAY array polar, press enter. Select this line just like this one, press enter, click on center point and put a value as a numbers of item 5, then press enter. But need to make sure don't be check associative. Okay, close, click on close array. Now if you see, if you just trim this inner part, your spokes will be completed. So now again TR double enter. As you see and compare the image with your drawing, your this spark part will be complete. Now step 5, design the side slot. Design the side slot. If you see in this picture, we are going to create this side slot. Okay, so use circle command. If you see here 10 radius and 15 radius. So C for circle, click on center point, put a value as a radius 10, enter. M for move, L for last object, enter. Click on any point of your drawing space, use ortho command, click on right side, it will be 72.36, press enter. Now again create another circle, C for circle, click on this circle center point, put a value as a radius 15. Now select this both circle, M for move, click on your screen and put a upside move upward as a value 30, press enter. Now as same as these two circle on opposite side. So now you can use mirror command, select both circle using MI for mirror, click on the center line and click, then press no. Now we just add these two lines. So L for line, click on this first coordinate point to end coordinate point, as same as for inner, also as same as for opposite word. So now this one, also this one. Okay, if you see very carefully, we need to trim this extra part. TR enter. T for cutting edge, select both lines, press enter, click on this circle, also this circle, this and this. Now you need to trim this one and also need to trim this one. Okay, if you see this part almost complete, only we need to add here as a circle. You can use fillet command, otherwise you can use circle command as a tangent circle. So you can find tangent circle, draw tab, go to circle command, and if you press this one, you can find tangent radius. Otherwise you can activate tangent circle command using TTR. So C for circle, TTR, enter, click on this circle and to this line, press a radius as a 5, press enter. As same as opposite side, you can use F for fillet, R for radius, 5, enter. Click this line to this circle. Whenever you use fillet command, you can see these part automatically trim because of we are activate trim command as a fillet. So you can use a circle command for easy way. C for circle, TTR, enter. First circle point to second line tangent point, then click a value as a radius 5, enter. Use the trim command, TR, double enter, this one and this one, and also this circle. If you see very carefully, this first part of this drawing almost complete. Now we are going to create as same as opposite side from here. So how can we use this one? You can just select these all the parts using MI for mirror command, click on the center point to upward. Press no. Now if you see very carefully, your drawing almost complete, but need to add dimension and line thickness before trim this part. Now you can add line thickness and dimension. Now step 5, adding the dimension. So use DRA for dimension radius. Click on this one and also this one. Clean up any extra construction line with the erase command. Zoom in to check for and ensure your drawing is neat and complete. So now congratulations, you have completed this exercise 16 in AutoCAD. I hope this step-by-step guide was easy to follow. So don't forget to download PDF file from the description box and try it yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Khalid Mahmud and share it with your friend. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next tutorial. Tata, bye bye, take care.